How to convert an array of strings to an array of floats in Numpy. How to convert to in Numpy.
Well, if you're reading the data in as a list, just do np.array_map_float, list_of_strings, or equivalently, use a list comprehension. In Python 3, you'll need to call list on the map return value if you use map, since map returns an iterator now. However, if it's already a NumPy array of strings, there's a better way. Use a stipe.
Another option might be numpy.isArray. Resulting in
If you have, or create, a single string, you can use np.fromString. Note, x equals comma dot join x transforms the x array to string 1.1, 2.2, 3.2. If you read a line from a text file, each line will be already a string.
You can use np.array with type equals float. Output.
You can use this as well.
Desculpa, não.